Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 9i and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's tap on language and region, and as you can see here we've got the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to use and tap on it. So for example, the Dutch one, just tap on it, and as you can see it will immediately appear on this list, but the English language is still a main one. So in order to actually change the language, we have to tap on the one we'd like to use, hold it, and as you can see we can drag it right now. So let's move it to the very first position, and right now your device will ask you if you really want to change system language. So just tap on change to Dutch, and as you can see from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. So let me show it to you again. Just tap, hold, and drag it to the first position. Confirm it, and here we've got English applied. So this is how to change the language, and now let me show you how to remove the language from this list if for some reason you don't want to keep some languages here. So just tap on this two dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on edit, and as you can see right now we can mark the language which is not set as a main one, so in my case only Netherlands, and tap on delete, and as you can see we've got only English left. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your Realme 9i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.